Welcome to TechTrend AI, where we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and automation. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to boost your productivity and creativity, whether you're a content creator or a business professional. Here, we explore groundbreaking tools that can generate stunning videos, automate repetitive tasks, and transform the way you work. We'll break down the latest trends, offering expert insights and hands-on demonstrations that make complex technologies accessible. From machine learning algorithms to the newest automation hacks, our goal is to keep you informed and inspired. Embrace the future of innovation with us and discover how AI can unlock limitless potential in your projects and workflows. Sesame AI is truly transforming our interaction with technology. Imagine an advanced AI assistant that not only automates tasks, but also processes information in real time to boost productivity. From managing your schedule to responding to messages, Sesame AI streamlines daily operations with impressive efficiency. Its natural language processing capabilities allow for seamless, human-like conversations, making it feel like you're interacting with a colleague rather than a machine. What sets Sesame AI apart is its focus on automation and real-world execution. While other AI assistants like ChatGPT or Google Gemini offer conversational capabilities, Sesame AI prioritizes hands-free efficiency, handling everything from email management to content generation and even coding. However, it's important to note that while it excels in automation, there's still potential for improvement in tackling complex, nuanced queries. The future of smart automation is here, and Sesame AI is leading the charge. Sesame AI is revolutionizing the way we approach automation. Its advanced capabilities offer seamless integrations and real-time functionality, making it a game changer for both individuals and businesses. Imagine optimizing your workflows effortlessly. However, while it excels in many areas, ongoing refinements are essential to enhance its conversational depth. To truly harness its power, consider using DeepBrain AI's text-to-video tool. You can select an AI avatar, choose a realistic voice, and integrate visuals and animations that reflect your brand. This allows content creators to produce engaging, AI-driven videos that captivate audiences in today's digital landscape. The future of AI-driven automation is here, and Sesame AI is at the forefront. Embracing these solutions can unlock unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. Are you ready to transform the way you work? In the rapidly evolving world of AI, staying informed is crucial. Every day, groundbreaking advancements reshape industries and redefine possibilities. From machine learning breakthroughs to innovative applications in healthcare, finance, and beyond, the pace of change is astonishing. Imagine AI systems that can predict diseases before symptoms appear, or algorithms that optimize supply chains in real time. These aren't just concepts, they're happening now. By subscribing to TechTrend AI, you'll gain access to the latest insights, expert interviews, and in-depth analyses that keep you at the forefront of technology. Don't just watch the future unfold, be part of it. Join me on this journey and empower yourself with knowledge that can transform your understanding of AI and its impact on our world.